Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram post in easy way. So you just have to click on this plus sign which is in the bottom of your Instagram page and upload any photo. So here you can select the photo and you can edit it. So in the top you can see the music sign. Here you have to choose any music or your kind of music. So I'd like to choose this one, and here is a duration. You can select it and just tick mark. So now you can click on next and share. So in this way you can just add music to your post. So thanks for watching the video. Please follow for more content and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.